Hey beauties, it's Riri. This is going to be short and sweet. I just received a PR package from Huda Beauty. I did take it out of the box because I had no idea what it was. I thought it was my Alani News, y'all. But hubby just brought this in and I want to open it with you guys. Excuse the two eye looks. I was not anticipating filming anything else today. I didn't know this was coming. But I have received a few packages from Huda Beauty and I am over the moon ecstatic about it. You guys, I don't get a lot of PR. I'm a little teeny tiny small fish in the beauty spectrum and I am eternally grateful. Huda Beauty is a brand that I really, really love, so I'm excited to open this with you guys. The packaging is always so nice. Beauty is self-made, and of course, you know, the vibe and the aesthetic, the pink on the pink on the pink, which is definitely my vibe, my aesthetic. It feels incredibly heavy, whatever it is. Oh, that's so pretty. Y'all, they do, okay, I can't really say they do PR well, because I don't really get a whole lot to compare it to anything, but in my opinione, they do it beautifully. Alright, that is what it looks like. This is quite heavy, whatever is in here. I love this. I'm going to use this for travel, you guys. Okay. I kind of want to make sure you guys see it with me at the same time. There's so much in there. Oh my goodness. Alright, we have a little thing right here. It has a nice mirror, and it's one of the mirrors that like stands up on its own. I guess I opened that wrong. It stands up on its own. Y'all, I'm taking this for freaking travel, and it is filled to the brim, and everything's pink. I love it so much. We have a ton of the mini baby puffs in here. I actually have a couple set to the side, because y'all know I do a lot of giveaways and stuff. We got holiday coming up, so I'll probably keep 3 and like put a few into a giveaway, but those are so freaking cute. Oh my goodness. We have some beautiful branded hair clips. I actually literally keep the ones that I got previously right by me, and I wore them today in the video that you guys will see coming up. So we have the cute hair clips. We have Beauty is Self-Made, a mini mirror. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire life, you guys. That's hilarious. And cute as hell. That's the little mirror. I love that. And I keep the other mirror right here by my, oops, sorry y'all, by my tweezers and stuff. And I use it when I'm plucking. And then I have, of course, my big mirror right here. That is the cutest thing. That is adorable. That is adorable. Can y'all tell, look, can y'all tell I get excited very easily? Also have ADHD, so, you know. Oh, we have, look, oh my gosh. Y'all, there are a bunch more puffs in here. Like, a bunch more. Hold on, let me try to dig all those out. Yeah, I'll definitely share these. Alright, next up is the Huda Beauty Mini Base Brush. Yes, please. I absolutely love the other one. It's very well made, very weighted. If you know, you know. I love a weighted brush. I like a brush that has not a long handle where I'm like trying to hold it way out here. Like, I love the handle size. It's very soft but very dense, which I love. So I'm excited about this. Oh my gosh. And it's freaking pink, you guys. This was made for me. Like, this I would not maybe use, maybe I would use it for foundation. I use a brush very similar to this for like contour and stuff like that. So I'd probably use it, me personally, for that. This is so, y'all, this is so freaking cute. I don't know if these are like about to be released or whatever. I'm so excited to drop this. Your favorites are all now available in the mini, same iconic formulas, same all day glam, but to go. This is the Huda Beauty Baby Bake Mini Easy Bake Sponge Set. Those are adorable too, you guys. Hello. And maybe it's just me. I love mini things. Like, I think they're uber freaking cute. All right, next up is a Baby Bake Mini Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in the Cherry Blossom. I've actually wanted to try this. My all-time favorite powder ever, and again, I keep it right beside me, is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake in the shade Cupcake. And if you know, you know. Like, y'all, I'm going through this powder. If you know, you know, especially having drier textured skin. I'm 46. I have very dry textured skin if you're new here. That powder, sublime, you guys. So I'm excited to have this. Next up, we have the Easy Bake Setting Spray in an itty bitty mini. I also keep this right here, and I love it and use it consistently. It is freaking bullet proof. Okay. Next up, I think this is the same 2 shades I have. So if it is, this is the Huda Beauty Baby Blush Duo in pink and pink. It's Cotton Candy and Peach Sorbet. They are the itty bitty little ones in the Baby Blush Duo. Let me double check. I actually have one of these on today. This is in Strawberry Cream. It's what's on this side of my face. Let me double check all my shades. Yeah, when I say I'm a fan, I am a fan. Like, I bought all of these. And it's a brand that I buy from a lot. Let me double check. What did those say again? Cotton Candy and Peach Sorbet. I have Watermelon Pop. I have Black Cherry, Cotton Candy, and Peach Sorbet. Yes, okay. And I bought those myself. So I'm gonna probably put this and this into a quick little giveaway for you guys. Deets are at the end. Please stay tuned for that. Next up, I have the... I have not tried these. Yes, please. These are the Faux Filter Luminous Matte Liquid Concealer and then a color correcting liquid base. I have Pink Pomelo and Coconut Flakes. I've actually not tried her concealers, and I hear wonderful things, so I'm intrigued by those for sure. Next up, we have the Easy Blur Natural Airbrush Foundation. This is in Toasted Coconut 240N. Let me see. I think I always use 250 in her stuff, so let me just double check that. Yeah, that's 250, which this is kind of my most of the year. Like, I can't use it right now because I'm too tan for it. So this is probably going to be more of like a wintertime shade, which I'm okay with. You guys, I love this. I speak to this all the time, more specifically when I'm speaking in terms of like subscription boxes, that I love mini versions of things. You guys, I can literally fit my whole face of everything in this small bag, and it doesn't take up a lot of room. I love the idea also of getting something like this. Obviously, it's going to be more affordable, and then it gives you the opportunity to try the brand, try new products and stuff like that without breaking the bank. I love this. I love this idea. Next up is the Easy Blur Primer. Something else that I absolutely love, and mine is almost gone. I cannot rave enough about it, you guys. I love her products. I love this. I actually want to open this and kind of see how small. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. Yeah, I love this. I'm absolutely blown away. I am so incredibly grateful. And then there's the Huda Beauty Easy Blur Primer that says Bronze Fudge. I don't know if this is supposed to be like a bronzing one or if it's meant for deeper skin. I've never seen this one, you guys. That's what it looks like. I gotta see what this looks like. Ooh, that is warm. I don't know that I need to really test this. It's hot as hell here, y'all. I'm kind of scared it's not gonna maybe be the texture and stuff it's supposed to be, but I'm intrigued. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. So I'm feeling like that's kind of like the bronze drops. And then if it's got the same blurring properties as the actual, like the original one does, it feels the exact same. Oh my God, that's so warm. It feels the exact same. Okay, yeah. So if you do have more fair skin, you're not really, I don't think, gonna see that. It just gives kind of a bronzy little finish. But if you have deeper skin, I feel like it's gonna work for everybody. No scent or anything. I did not know they had that. I don't know where I've been, you guys. Yeah, that's everything. And then there's even more puffs in the bottom of here. So there's some more puffs. I am gonna put some of these puffs. I'm gonna put the little mini mirror, even though it's cute as hell, you guys. I want to be selfish, but I'm not gonna be. Okay, I'm not gonna be. I do share. Okay. I'm gonna put this into the little giveaway and the blushes. I'm gonna note, if you have no experience with those blushes, you do not want to like set them down. Like I'll use the one I have open. I'm actually just going to show you. I'm going to kind of show you the wrong way to do it, which do what makes you feel like the best version of yourself. Okay. I'm going to show you. They're beautiful, first of all, and they are bulletproof. They're long lasting. They don't accentuate texture. They give a beautiful blurring effect. And I did not plan this. I already filmed my video, was done. My husband just came home and was like, hey, there was a box on the porch. But if you go in like this, now if you move very, very quickly, you're fine. But if you start like this, you can kind of see that it'll set just a little bit, and it does kind of like, you know, stay in place or whatever. But you can manipulate it, and you can, you know, reach the level of pigmentation you're trying to achieve, and it will eventually blend out. Like you see, it looks beautiful. Look how incredibly punchy that is. I cannot speak enough about this particular formula. It looks gorgeous on the lips as well. I use it on my lips all the time. So you can see that even though I had to work for it, it still blends. It's quite seamless, quite smooth, and looks amazing. The way I like to do it is to either apply straight to the brush, or I put a little bit on my hand, and I guess I'm gonna look crazy as hell. Or I work from the back of my hand. I'm gonna pick up an even amount, disperse it evenly into my brush, and then I'm going to apply. And what that does, I do this for you, okay? What this does, it gives it just a little bit softer, more diffused of a look, and it just blends a lot easier. And you can see, you can go like a less is more approach doing that, or if you want to punch us up, baby, you can punch it up. I look like I got sunburnt in the most unnatural possible way. I can't even take myself seriously. Yeah, that's everything, you guys. I am freaking out. Let me kind of just show you the little pamphlet. All right, mini easy routine. And you can feel free to pause this if you need to, screenshot it, whatever the case may be. I actually want to read on this. Okay, so the sheer bronze tint is new. It is silicone free, ultra blurring, and oil control. Mini Easy Primer is going to be $19. The Mini Easy Blur Bronze Fudge Primer is going to be $19. We have 8 new shades in the Easy Blur Mini Foundation. That's $15. It's got 16-hour wear, pore blurring, and airbrush finish. We have our Shake and Bake Baby. The Mini Easy Bake Setting Powder is $23. 18-hour wear, ultra brightening, and removable sifter. I love the sifter in mine. Next up, the Mini Faux Filter Color Correctors will be $15. The Mini Faux Filter Luminous Matte Concealer, I'm excited about both of those, is $15. The Mini Blush Filter Duo is $25. And then the Mini Easy Bake Sponge Set is $19. And that's it. I am over the freaking moon, and this built me pretty much an entire face, because like I said, you can use these on the lips. I would assume you can also use these as kind of like a liquid like eye paint, and they would probably work beautifully on the eyes as well. I'm thrilled. Again, all deets and everything will be in the description box for the giveaway. Thank you to Huda Beauty. They will probably never see this, but baby, if you do, thank you so much. Thank you for giving little tiny creators like me a chance. Yeah, I also know my girl Heather over at Crazy Beautiful MUA. She also received hers. I don't know that she'll film it, but I am going to link her channel anyway because I love her and she deserves the love. Thank you guys so much for joining. I am on the road to 10,000 subscribers this year, and I can only do that with your help. So if you do see this and you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. You can also turn on post notifications so you never ever miss one of my uploads, and you can tap the join button to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye beauties. Good luck.